Alfonso Cahero, A Journey into Finance History. Chapter 19. Establishment of the Amsterdam Stock Exchange, the world's first, 1602. In the early 17th century, the Dutch Republic was a beacon of economic prosperity and innovation. The Dutch Golden Age, characterized by unprecedented economic growth, flourishing trade, and cultural advancements, set the stage for a groundbreaking development in the realm of finance, the establishment of the Amsterdam Stock Exchange. Amidst this backdrop of economic dynamism, the Amsterdam Stock Exchange emerged as a pivotal institution in 1602. It represented a revolutionary concept, an organized marketplace where shares of the Dutch East India Company, VOC, could be bought and sold. This marked a significant departure from traditional methods of financing ventures, ushering in an era of modern financial markets. The origins of the Amsterdam Stock Exchange can be traced back to the Dutch East India Company's need for capital to finance its ambitious voyages of exploration and trade. Recognizing the potential of pooling resources from multiple investors, the VOC sought to create a formalized platform for trading its shares. Thus, the idea of a stock exchange was born, with the VOC at its helm. The establishment of the Amsterdam Stock Exchange was not merely a pragmatic solution to the VOC's financing needs. It was a reflection of broader economic trends and aspirations. The Dutch Republic, with its mercantile spirit and entrepreneurial ethos, was at the forefront of commercial innovation. The Amsterdam Stock Exchange symbolized the country's embrace of financial modernity and its ambition to create a more efficient and transparent marketplace for investment. With its founding, the Amsterdam Stock Exchange became the world's first official stock exchange, setting a precedent that would be emulated and refined by financial centers around the globe. It served as a model for subsequent exchanges, shaping the evolution of capital markets and investment practices worldwide. The establishment of the Amsterdam Stock Exchange was intrinsically linked to the economic ascendancy of the Netherlands during the Dutch Golden Age. By the turn of the 17th century, the Dutch Republic had emerged as a dominant force in global trade, with a vast maritime empire spanning the globe. At the heart of Dutch economic success was the spirit of entrepreneurship and innovation that permeated society. Dutch merchants and traders were renowned for their commercial acumen and willingness to take risks. This entrepreneurial culture fostered an environment conducive to financial experimentation and the development of new instruments of investment. The Netherlands' strategic geographical location further contributed to its economic prowess. Situated at the crossroads of lucrative trade routes, Amsterdam emerged as a bustling commercial hub. The city's ports teemed with activity as ships from around the world docked to unload their cargoes of spices, silks, and other exotic goods. The Dutch East India Company, VOC, was emblematic of the Netherlands' economic might during this period. Founded in 1602, the VOC was the world's first multinational corporation, with a virtual monopoly on trade in the East Indies. Its success was built on a combination of private enterprise, state support, and innovative business practices. The VOC's decision to establish the Amsterdam Stock Exchange was a testament to its pioneering spirit and commitment to financial innovation. By creating a marketplace where investors could buy and sell shares in the company, the VOC tapped into a new source of capital that would fuel its expansion and contribute to the Netherlands' economic dominance. The economic ascendancy of the Netherlands during the Dutch Golden Age was not without its challenges and contradictions. While the country enjoyed unprecedented wealth and prosperity, it also grappled with issues of inequality, social unrest, and political instability. Nevertheless, the legacy of Dutch economic dynamism and financial innovation endured, shaping the course of global commerce for centuries to come. The birth of the Amsterdam Stock Exchange was a watershed moment in the history of finance, signaling the emergence of Amsterdam as a leading international financial center. From its humble beginnings in the early 17th century, the stock exchange would evolve into a pivotal institution that played a central role in shaping the global economy. The establishment of the Amsterdam Stock Exchange was driven by a confluence of factors, including the economic prosperity of the Dutch Republic, the commercial ambitions of the Dutch East India Company, VOC, and the innovative spirit of Dutch entrepreneurs. Together, these forces converged to create a fertile environment for the development of modern financial markets. Initially, the Amsterdam Stock Exchange operated from a modest location, a local coffeehouse, where merchants and traders gathered to buy and sell shares of the VOC. However, as trading activity grew, the need for a more formalized and centralized marketplace became apparent. In 1611, the Amsterdam Stock Exchange found a permanent home in the Beurs van Hendrik de Keyser, a purpose-built exchange building that would serve as the nucleus of Amsterdam's financial district. The Beurs van Hendrik de Keyser quickly became the beating heart of Amsterdam's financial ecosystem. Merchants, investors, and speculators flocked to the exchange to participate in the buying and selling of stocks, bonds, and commodities. The exchange facilitated not only the trading of securities, but also the formation of capital, as investors pooled their resources to finance ventures ranging from overseas expeditions to local enterprises. The establishment of the Amsterdam Stock Exchange was not without its challenges. In its early years, the exchange grappled with issues such as price manipulation, insider trading, and lack of regulation. However, over time, mechanisms were put in place to address these concerns, laying the groundwork for a more transparent and orderly marketplace. Despite its initial teething problems, the Amsterdam Stock Exchange quickly gained a reputation for efficiency, reliability, and integrity. Its success attracted capital from across Europe and beyond, cementing Amsterdam's position as a premier destination for international investors. The exchange's role in facilitating trade and investment contributed to the city's economic growth and prosperity, laying the foundation for its emergence as a global financial powerhouse. The Amsterdam Stock Exchange was instrumental in facilitating trade and investment, providing a platform for the exchange of securities and the formation of capital. From its inception, the exchange played a central role in channeling funds to enterprises ranging from overseas trading ventures to local businesses. One of the primary functions of the Amsterdam Stock Exchange was to enable the buying and selling of shares in the Dutch East India Company, VOC. As the world's first multinational corporation, the VOC offered investors an opportunity to participate in the lucrative trade routes of the East Indies. Shares in the company were highly sought after, attracting capital from both domestic and international investors. In addition to trading VOC shares, the Amsterdam Stock Exchange facilitated the exchange of various other financial instruments, including bonds, commodities, and government securities. These instruments provided investors with a diverse array of investment opportunities, allowing them to allocate their capital according to their risk preferences and investment objectives. The exchange also served as a platform for the formation of capital, allowing entrepreneurs to raise funds for new ventures and expansion projects. By issuing shares or bonds to investors, companies could access the capital they needed to finance their operations, invest in new technologies, or pursue growth opportunities. The Amsterdam Stock Exchange played a crucial role in fostering economic growth and development in the Dutch Republic. By providing a liquid and efficient marketplace for the exchange of securities, the exchange facilitated the flow of capital to productive uses, stimulating entrepreneurship, innovation, and economic activity. Moreover, the exchange served as a catalyst for the development of Amsterdam as a financial center. As trading activity grew, ancillary industries such as banking, insurance, and shipping flourished, creating a vibrant ecosystem of financial services that supported the city's burgeoning economy. Overall, the Amsterdam Stock Exchange played a transformative role in the economic life of the Dutch Republic, contributing to its prosperity and prominence on the world stage. Its legacy endured long after its founding, shaping the evolution of global financial markets and influencing the course of economic history for centuries to come. The establishment of the Amsterdam Stock Exchange had a profound impact on the global economy, shaping the course of financial history and influencing the development of modern capitalism. From its humble beginnings in the early 17th century, the exchange grew into a preeminent institution that played a central role in channeling capital to productive uses and facilitating economic growth.